strength, beauty, innovation. Here at Plastpro, we believe these are the foundations of excellence. Through a commitment to bringing the best quality fiberglass doors to an emerging market, we've become leaders in the world of composite building materials. For quality, integrity, and a beauty that's more than skin deep, the professionals look to Plastpro.
Ever since the beginning, we always held true to the belief that we have to provide the best value to our customers, the best technology with the best commitment, and doing good for the world and making a difference.
The time we started business, nobody knows us. We talk to customers. We're a little bit different. I think we're humble.
We knew that we could make up the superior product and that we could compete and we would bring something of value to our customers and to the industry.
With our affiliation with Nanya Plastics and Formosa Plastics, they're such a strong vertical integrated company that helped give us instant credibility.
Plastpro was an unknown name in 1995. We've taken it to being a household word amongst builders. We've built a brand that's well respected and used by the industry all across America.
To understand the heart of manufacturing, you have to know the backbone, which is the factory.
This is where the stuff is made. This is where the product is produced.
Plastpro, Ohio, in Ashtabula, we've taken a traditionally very manual operation and applied innovation, technology, and assembling doors in a very unique way.
We use robotics and PLC technology. We use CNC machines. That gives us a door product that's precision manufactured and consistent from 1 to 1,000.
This plant is by far light years ahead of the competition.
Key to our process is the concept of vertical integration, meaning that we have complete control over the entire manufacturing process, from raw materials through every step of production.
Ultimately, the finished product will be certain to have very high quality.
Here at Plastpro, we continuously innovate, continuously think of how we can better our product and anything that will bring value to our customers, and we want it to be maintenance-free, that it has the best technology.
What makes a door a Plastpro door? It's not just how we make them that sets us apart, it's what's inside. We start with a high-density, CFC-free polyurethane foam core that provides maximum insulation to protect your family from the cold or the heat. We developed the first full-length composite styles in the industry and composite top and bottom rails, which, when combined with our fiberglass reinforced door skins, make up our exclusive Hydroshield technology, offering complete protection for all 6 sides of the door. And our full-length LVL protects against warping, providing the door with even greater stability. The end result is an exceptional entry system that won't warp, delaminate, rot, or decay.
Outside it may be minus 15 or 20 degrees, very cold, but the inside of that door is still very warm. That's the value you get from a fiberglass door from Plastpro.
Part of the green building is renewable resource and not using a lot of wood. Plastpro doors fit into that category, and they're more energy efficient. Since we offer our clients a long warranty, we need products that stand up for a long period of time, up to 10 years, and that's why I use Plastpro.
Another innovation is our BTHP snap-on door light frames, eliminating the need for unsightly screws or plugs. Their easy installation gives our customers increased value by saving time and money. And pairing our doors with our PF frames with their lifetime warranty makes a perfect combination for a superior, maintenance-free, complete entry system.
First and foremost, we choose a door for its aesthetic quality, but we also look into its durability, its energy efficiency, its warranty. We pick Plastpro because we know that it's going to be a quality product. We know that our clients are going to be pleased with the end result.
The heart and soul of Plastpro is its people. The people. They all worked from the ground up.
The ability to work as a team is one thing, but I truly believe we work as a family. We don't have closed doors in this company.
I love our employees. I love all the people in our company in the sense that they're committed to getting it done.
We listen to our customers. We take their feedback seriously.
What's a dream product you want to have? We will try our best, to make it happen.
We've watched their business grow, and they've helped our business grow tremendously by supporting the products that we've brought to market using their designs.
Our relationship with our customers is strengthened by offering continuing ed courses for architects and builders, providing valuable resources and further solidifying our position as experts in the marketplace.
What we want to really achieve is to be able to do good for others, to contribute back to the society or to the community.
Success is only as good as the good that it creates. It has to create good in the people that we have, to our employees, to our customers. So we have to create good in all fronts.
Come to today's Plastpro, definitely we're not a small company anymore. But we cannot forget, where we start.
I take pride in that because it's a reflection of a small group of people that are making a huge impact in what has traditionally been an enormous market.
I love the fact that we all grow up together. Our customers grow with us, our employees grow with us. I mean, everybody started from scratch.
Now we are in a different position than we were.
Today, we're looking at an opportunity to grow worldwide.
I know if we continue to do the right thing, continue to work hard and have a heart at the right place, I think Plastpro will definitely continue to grow and prosper.
With the beauty of nature and the strength of the elements, the name Plastpro has come to define excellence in the world of composite building materials. Throughout our proud history, our commitment has always remained to our product, to our customers, and to our vision. Plastpro, know the beauty of innovation.